Hi folks, Randy with Guaranty RV again. Today I'm going to show you a Sundance trailer in a 24-foot version of a bunkhouse, ultralight. Let's go inside and check it out. So in this version we have a front walk-around queen bed with a center wall that you can access on either side of the bed. How it comes across, nice layout, wardrobes, overhead storage, cell phone chargers, wardrobe on each side, and a place to put your CPAP if you use one that plugs in down below. Nice clean, nice tight little bedroom in a small 24-foot trailer with solid doors. These doors will pull across. And when these doors pull across, that allows the TV to spin and rotate into the bedroom. So it's pretty cool. But during the day, it's here. We have our movie player, CD player, MP3, etc. Some more storage for your movies and etc. And when you're sitting here across your wraparound dinette with a plug-in below, a charging system, with windows on each end of the slide out. Little things to notice. Windows on the ends of the slide out are important. Cross ventilation and light. These things get dark quick. You need a lot of light. This actually has a nice counter space. Has the great Sundance stainless steel deep sink with, again, the nicer faucet than your home. Very sharp, high grade faucet. Counter space is nice. And then we have our stainless package again with our microwave, with our hood stove, with our fronts of the refrigeration and the stove. And then we have our flush top fit glass countertop, which is less up for things, but during the day it's a nice prep area. Makes it nice and solid. Bunks for the kids, they're oversized, room to grow. With a window, and cross ventilation, and light, all the stuff you need to have. And down below we got a little extra cubby hole, and that's where Rover goes, or extra gear. It's a cool setup. Our bathroom across the back. Okay, we got built-ins. Wow, linen closet. We got a wardrobe. We got a nice shower with a big skylight. We got a nice porcelain toilet. Nice bathroom, clean line. This is a 24-footer. It's an ultralight by Sundance that fits the family, and it's super lightweight. It's about 4,700 pounds. Super clean, ducted air conditioning, LED lighting throughout. And then this mixed down to another guest bed for the kids, because you know, if your kids are like mine, they didn't come alone. They always brought a friend, a neighbor, cousin, etc. So in this little model, we have magnetic catches again, which is super nice. And then this has our little pull-out cook stove and sink. Okay, and it has a nice little refrigerator here. So it's kind of your little prep area. And notice how the awning on this guy covers the whole length of the trailer. It's a long awning. It's got about 21 feet. So your whole area becomes a separate room. It's nice to have this covering your cook area when you're outside. Most of them will stop there and won't give you the extra. And they make you use the lid for the cover. This one has it all covered, which is a nice feature. Speakers, outside hookup for the TV. It's a nice sitting area. This is a good floor plan for that. Again, in the back, we have our spare tire, our water heaters off the back end. Again, with our crown truss roof that rolls the moisture off the top. And typical Sundance Heartland stuff. All your connections are within one certain area. Your dump station, your city water, your cable, your satellite, your black water flush, and your power. Very close, because use that power pole's right here. All your dump and everything's together, so they put it all together, which I like a lot. Again, our slide out with the windows, this is a big deal. And then this one will have our pass-through with magnetic latches. And these are called slam latches. You can just slam them down and they'll lock, no cheesy little twists. And then magnetic stops. And then there's our pass-through. Barbecue, lawn chairs, gear, gold mining, whatever you like, kid stuff. Then across the front, again, another great standard by Sundance is you're going to get the fiberglass cap with a front rock guard, place to put 2 batteries, double propane, and a nice power tongue jack. Super nice, great family rig, lightweight, small, functional, with a lot of options. Come on down and see me. I'd love to show it to you in person. Have a great day, guys.